this is actually like a great update from the Pi network, and I must recommend the team for doing this. So if you check out your Pi, you're going to see this particular new update by right here. So let me just go back and show you. Once you come back to your wallet, you log in. So I'm going to be logging in with my fingerprint. Then once I comes in just like this, it's actually going to pop up and I'm going to see this, right? So if you are yet to see this on your platforms, on your Mainnet, just go ahead to check or update your browser. Right, you're going to be seeing this, and this is kind of massive at this particular moment, right? So if you currently click on this, which is the buy, you are going to be seeing this that says, how do you want to get more Pi? So they're actually bringing out assets to actually purchase more Pi at this particular moment. And come to think of it, why should we buy more Pi by now? So let's go straight into the Pi and let's see the current price of this particular project. So you can see in the last 24 hours, the price has currently been going around 0.44, and this has been the price of this particular token for now. And Pi is kind of going up and down, and currently the market is not favorable, the market is bad, but it is kind of a good opportunity to jump into this process and also back some amount of Pi. But remember, this is not a financial advice anyway. It is just for information and entertainment purpose only, and share with you what I've actually seen from this particular project and platform, right? So if you are coming back to this particular site, so at this side, right, so we have three options that are currently available for purchasing the Pi, and the last one is something I'm going to talk very fast. This is mining Pi for free. This is what we have been doing for a while now. We actually mine Pi for free, right? So once you click on this, it's actually going to take you to your browser, to your mining browser rather. Then right, so on this particular one that said on Rampal, this is actually where you can actually buy with your card and actually purchase with your Go card rather. So if this actually load up, you are going to see you can currently like purchase this with your card and thereabouts. So you can see from my country, right, it's actually going to show your country. Just select in your country of the country you want to use for the payment. Then I'm going to click on this. So but there's something important that actually came up on this particular store which I actually like. So let's click on this particular menu, right? So once you click on this site, then you are going to see click on this support system. So if you actually click on support system, you are going to scroll up. Then straight up, you can see I actually see something related to Binance right here. So Binance Connect support and Binance P2P support, right? So this is actually like looking as if Binance is actually about to list this particular project. And with Binance actually list Pi, that has been like a case study and a talk of the town that we have actually been talking about for a while now. But it is like Pi is actually going to be getting to list on this particular Binance exchange, and this is actually going to be a game changer for this particular project. Well, we are waiting for that, and all finger crossed, we are going to be waiting for this, and let's see what we can get. So if you actually load up and check out many of this particular stuff, you are going to see that we have a lot of new projects that are actually supporting this particular project, right? So support doesn't mean it has been listed on the platform. Support is just a way to show that okay, these people are actually having interest into this particular platform and they can support in later future. Like that is actually what support actually means. So right here you can actually see the way I actually show that, and it is actually working, right? So this is how it is in Pi currently. So at this particular moment, if you are here in the same country with me right here, about 30,000 naira of Nigerian naira is actually about 41 Pi with the current price. So this is actually working with current price, and they're using the current exchange of 1 Pi to 685 naira, right? So I think this conversion rate is kind of not I don't know, one pi to this particular amount. Okay, so it's not up to $1, right? 0.4, yeah, kind of. So if you click on this plot, you can see the bank method you want to use and thereabout, then click on buy, right? So this is just something, an eyes opening for you to actually notice that pi is going to kind of be a fantastic project very soon. And for you not to miss out the opportunity, you might want to like look into checking up pi and maybe bagging some of pi at this particular moment. But remember, it's not a financial advice anyway. It's for information and just like an entertainment purpose. So do well to make your own further research before you eventually jump into any core any stuff in this particular project. Then if you have any question, you can drop to the comment section, and I'll see you.